Welcome to Uwindo. There are dangerous creatures that live in different realities parallel to
Are you
ours.
watching this
Here in
cutscene?
Uwindo,
watching.
we make sure that these creatures don't get into our homes and do us
Welcome
harm.
to Uwindo.
The
There
bad
are
choices
dangerous
you made in
creatures
life
that live in
brought you
different
here
realities
because
parallel to ours.
it was your last hope
Here
for
in
redemption.
Uwindo, we make sure
and
that these
escape from
creatures
death
don't
row.
get into our homes
From
and
now
do us
on,
harm.
you will work for us as an
The bad
exterminator.
choices you made
Don't
in
worry,
life
your
brought you
job is
here
quite simple.
because
You'll
it
be
was your last
transported
hope
to
for
different
redemption
dimensional realities that
and
we call
escape from
zones.
death row.
Death row.
From
Each
now
with its
on,
own
you will
bounty
work
of
for us
deadly
as an
creatures that you
exterminator.
must
But don't
exterminate.
worry, your job is quite simple.
Killing these monsters
You'll be
will clear the
transported
way
to different
for our
dimensional
engineers
realities that
to
we
work
call
in a
zones,
clean, safe environment.
each with its own bounty of
Without the
deadly
chance of
creatures
getting
that
their
you must
heads chopped
exterminate.
To keep track
Killing
of
these
your
monsters will
performance,
clear the
we'll
way
reward
for
you
our
with credits that
engineers
you can
to work
spend
in a
on better
clean,
weapons
safe
and
environment,
equipment. I know it could be a
without the
daunting
chance of getting
feeling,
their heads chopped
but
off.
who knows? If you excel at your
Keep
job,
track of your
you might earn your
performance.
freedom one
We'll
day.
reward you with credits that you can
I know
spend
you'll
on
fare
better
right
weapons and
You
equipment.
Uwindo wishes you
I
good
know
luck
it could be a
in your
daunting
new
feeling,
job.
but who knows? If you excel at your job, you might earn your freedom one day. I know you'll fare right in. Uwindo wishes you good luck in your new job.
Ay,
I'm in.
settling naman nun. Oh my gosh, this looks good. Ay! Oh my gosh, get... Oh my god.
Why?
I look very different.
Ate look different too.
Wait, how do you start this?
I'll just get, coke. Cocaine?
Oh.
What is this?
Park Sojun is fine. Where's Aaron? Oh, this is...
Why do you look like that?
I know, just don't. Just ignore it.
Wait, how do you see who's in the party?
I don't know. I can't see anything. This looks good. This looks promising. This looks promising.
Okay, we're gonna go normal difficulty. Ay, how sino yan? How do you
Uy,
kick
sino
them?
nag-join? Si
I don't know.
Zaytan?
Ay, ate,
Sino yan?
how do you kick? I don't know how to kick them.
Ay,
What happened?
medyo nawala yung party.
Wait, I'll create another one.
Pwede bang private?
Yeah. I don't know how to put the password. Oh, their code 12401.
12401.
Hey! Do I
Parang
join
wala.
party?
But how do you make one? There, meet fucking. You enjoy.
Create party.
I'll join. Why joining? Ay, ate, ba't ka may baril?
Ano yung code?
I don't have a gun. 12401. I made it public again.
Ayan.
Ay,
Ay, ate, may
well,
sumali.
ay po.
Okay
How
lang
do
yan.
you kick them? I don't know how to kick.
I think it's fine.
Ay, ate.
Ayoko.
Back room.
Back again.
Okay, join party.
Make it fast. Go, go, go.
I'm in.
Where's Sharon? Puta, inang ba? Mga Ines, umalis ka. Ate, paano to?
Join party.
Damat, ha?
Pooch!
Hindi siya umaalis. Malis ka, di ko to sa start.
Zaytan, can you leave?
I don't know how to make a private party.
I'll try.
Do you make one?
Yan, naka-private na. Normal.
What's your code?
Ay, ate zones. Zone 1 ba? Backrooms tayo.
Yeah, ate normal difficulty mo na.
Ayan, code 36994.
3699. Ayun.
Asan na kayo?
36994.
36994.
3699. Nice. Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let's see how good this game is. Lost rooms. We
Not
have to
gonna
be.
I didn't watch the cutscene that much. Dozing off.
I also didn't. I was disassociating.
Me too. I
Game
skipped
yan,
over.
skinip lang niya. Oh,
Ang tagal.
tagal nga eh.
Tagal.
I can still taste the kimchi in my mouth. Gusto ko na ulit kumain. Oh my gosh, I'm looking forward to eating every day.
Sa Samgyup. Samgyup.
Let's eat some gyup, guys.
Sa Samgyup salamat. That's my favorite.
Please, tara. Wala pinalawan niya yung sanggip salamat, diba? Tara, guys.
Tara nga.
Labas tayo.
Kailan?
Grabe ang tagal. My God.
Kailan tayo labas?
November 1.
Pwede naman.
Ay,
Uy,
oo,
grabe.
yun.
Tagal naman ito.
Ate, what is going on?
Ay na.
Nag-start na sa inyo?
Nag-start na.
Di pa
Ay,
sa akin.
game.
Hindi pa rin sa akin.
Ha?
Wala si
Nangyari? Nandiyan si Aaron?
Yes.
Yan, nandito na ako. Tagal?
Ate, I'm
Skip.
not there. I'm still in the fucking thing. Oh, girl, it's you.
Yan. What is this?
Tama ba yung sinakanakanta ko? Parang mali naman.
Where are you guys?
You're not here, JM.
I'm here.
I'm not here then. Like, I don't know.
I'm in another room.
Wait.
Anyway,
Oh no!
where is it scary?
My map is still loading. Oh my gosh. I'm alone.
Wait, what safe room are you guys? Oh, I see someone's flashlight right there.
I'm.
Wait. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, this
During
game
the
is
day, you're
scary.
safe. Look around for materials, food, and water.
Wait, what safe room are you guys?
Kami lang
I'm-
dalawa ni... Ayun,
I
James
spawned in a
here.
pink room.
James here.
Where?
I see your name. I just don't know where you are. I'll skip lang. I'll skip this. I'm just waking up.
Oh, we spawned in different rooms ata.
Okay, maybe yeah.
I can't get out of this. Oh, there.
Food and materials. Okay.
What safe room is this?
After you've materials. Okay. You're not safe anymore. Creatures will lurk around the zone. Be careful, but do not forget your mission. You must exterminate the target. Now it's your Okay.
Wait, what safe room are you guys?
I'm near safe from 1.
I'm also near safe room 1.
Is it like red?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ay ate, I
I
was
keep
in safe
getting-
room 2 pala rather.
Yeah, ate, me too.
Ayun.
I'm just getting scrap right
You guys
now.
see someone's flashlight.
I don't have a flashlight.
I see a water. Do you guys see water?
No.
Yes.
Making noise? I know.
Okay, I'm lagging a bit.
I'm lagging. The doors won't open.
I'm inside a room with a generator.
The doors won't open. Hello? It's lagging so bad.
Oh, shit.
Grabe yung lag.
Ate, naglag nga.
Grabe malakas yung lag.
I'm outside.
Ate, yung lag, grabe.
Ate,
Oh, I'm lagging.
I'm at the pool area.
I'm there. But like I'm lagging so bad.
pool area.
Yeah. Oh, Jim, I can see you.
Where?
You went inside the room.
Oh my god. Ate, it's so laggy.
Kaya,
I'm gonna go towards the gun.
it's so delayed.
Oh, there I see you. Why are you so big?
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go inside this room.
What's the item box?
Oh, I'm in safe room 1 right now.
Oh,
Ay, ate! Oh my god. Fuck. Oh my god. Help. Help
Close the door!
me. Help me. Help me. Help me.
What the fuck is going
Help
on?
me. Ate, help me.
oh my
Help
gosh!
me. Ate, help me.
Oh my gosh!
They have
Get
me.
inside the safe room.
Wait,
Get
where are
in.
you guys? Wait, what's that HP?
Wait,
Wait, where are you, Yoro?
Jim, I can. Jim, I'm about to pee
Where?
myself.
Where
Yo,
are
this
you
is scary
guys?
as fuck.
Guys, where are you?
I'm about to pee myself.
Wait,
I'm
what
blacking
are
out.
you near?
I'm in safe room 1.
Are
I'm
you-
in safe room 1.
Ate, I hear something. I hear something.
I'm blacking out. I'm blacking
I'm in
out.
safe room too. Ate! Ate! Oh my god.
Is it not safe? If
I'm
you're in
dead.
safe room?
It's killing me. Ate, he's killing me. He's killing me. He's killing me.
Oh my god.
Ate, there's
Oh my-
Ate! Help!
Oh my
Help!
gosh.
Help!
Oh my gosh.
Help!
Blacking
Help.
out. I'm blacking
Open
out.
the goddamn door, bro. Ate, he's chasing me. Ate, he's so big. Ate, he's so big. Ate, he's so big. Ate. Ate, I'm fading. I'm fading.
Ate, you're fading even.
Help me. Help me. Help me. Ate. Ano?
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Where are you guys?
I'm in safe room 1.
It got me, guys. It got me. It got me.
Can they
Running.
open doors? Can they open doors? Oh my god, JM.
I'm in safe room. Oh, there you are.
Ate, stay silent.
I
Oh,
forgot you can make symbols.
I reached safe room 2.
Oh! What happened? What happened?
Run, JM! Oh my god, I'm YOLOing.
Hey, what is that? I'm going to safe room too. I can't. I can't.
I'm inside
Ate, he's
safe.
near me. He's near me. Ate, he keeps going after me. You love me that much, bro.
I'm locking myself inside.
Help!
I don't know, ate! Oh my god, wait, this is actually scary as fuck.
I'm running again. Is he still going after me, guys? No, I can't.
Oh my god.
Ouch!
Ate,
What is this tank?
Ate, we need to find weapons.
Oh my
How do
god.
you find the freaking weapon?
Oh, ate, nagulat ako dun, JM. I had to run. I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
What happened?
Oh my god!
Ate, what's going on?
Ate, he's chasing me!
Who's getting chased?
Oh my gosh! I'm locking everything.
Wait, you can lock?
Oh wait, no, there's no electricity. Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, I'm
Gosh, oh my gosh!
Ay, nakakatakot.
Where are you guys?
Yo, get me out. Oh my god.
Wait,
gosh,
wait,
oh
wait,
my
wait,
I feel like
wait,
this
I
room
really
is
don't.
explode!
Wait, where are you?
Ate, this is too scary for me.
Go to safe room 1. Go to safe room 1.
I'm trying.
There's electricity here.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god,
Near
JM.
safe one.
I told you that guy is chase. Oh my,
I'm
ate, I hear
putting
him.
that item box.
Ate, ate, ate.
Bro, this is so scary. I can't. It's so big.
I have so much stuff, guys. I have.
Ate, ate, run. Ate, here.
Oh my
Get
god.
out, he's coming from there.
Oh my god.
I got-
Help me.
I'm going back to
Ate,
My heart,
I'm
ate.
going to safe room 2. I'm going to safe room 2. I can.
Yo.
Ate, I'm dying. I don't have any. How do you drink water?
Right click. The opposite one.
Oh my
that I
gosh.
use every day.
I got so much stuff. I have first aid. I have a gas mask.
Me too.
How do I put this on? Oh my god!
Ate, hear him. Ate, ate, hear him. Ate, hear him. Ate, you're really get up.
Oh my god.
Ate, what is going on? There's so many
What's going
things.
on? What is
Ate,
going
I'm
on
getting
to
up.
me?
I'm getting out of this.
Bro, what is going on? This is so hard. Ate,
Yoro.
oh my god.
I'm overstimulated.
You're
I'm
okay.
overstimulated.
I'm so
I'm
scared.
scared.
I'm so
Wait, wait,
scared.
wait. Lock the door. Lock the door. Lock the door.
Ate, why were they actually so scary?
Lock Aaron. Lock Aaron. Ate, we lock. We're in safe room 2 and we're locking everything.
Oh my god, ate. Oh my god.
Ate.
Ate, it's daytime. You can explore. Oh my
Oh,
god.
it's daytime?
Yes.
Oh.
Ate, oh my gosh.
How do I wear my gas mask?
I need to eat.
Oh my gosh, ate, I can't. Why is that actually so scary? That scared me so much.
Say we were just running around.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Get me out!
Ate, what's that?
What is happening? Oh my god, wait. No, my Roblox volume is way too high for this. Oh my
Mine
god.
is it's face boosted yung akin ate.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
where are you?
Oh my god.
Ate, I need food so bad. I'm gonna die.
Me too.
I'm hungry. Ate, naglalag. I can't open doors.
Me too.
Oh my god, wait lang. Let me recover. Ate, I was... Oh my...
Ate, I can't open doors. Wait there. Wait, we need to get that.
Oh my gosh, this freaking
I'm gonna go to the item box.
my ear.
Wait lang,
This
ate.
ring.
Oh my god, I can't. My heart. Ate, he was actually so scary. Why was he so scary? Holy
I
shit.
got the item box. Ate, I can't open it. It's laggy.
Ate, why was he so scary? Oh my god.
Ate, I'm going back to... Oh my god.
Safe from ano ka, JM? Where are you going back?
I'm going to safe room 2.
Okay.
I need food so bad.
Again. I'm going to safe room 1.
I'm dying.
Okay, we got some gas tanks.
You
Oh
just
my
need to
god.
look for food.
I'm so
I really
scared,
need
ate.
to look
Oh my
for
god, my heart. Ate, I can't. Oh my gosh, this is so scary.
Ate,
Ako lang
parang...
ba yung natakot? Ate, I was genuinely scared, bruh.
Tinatakot din ako. Like, responding from God.
Ate, when he spawned from the ground, when we were together,
Ate, I
JM,
can't find food. I know,
I-
ate.
Food, I found food.
oh my god, that was so scary.
Need more food.
You can find cans from the shelves.
Oh, shells. Aaron, where are you? No, there I found. Oh my god, there's so many here.
I need water is what I need.
Okay, dumidilim. Dumidilim. Dumidilim.
Ate, wait lang. guys, I'm so sorry. I'm not the help right now.
I'm going to safe room 2.
I'm
Okay.
mentally just so,
I need to go to safe room 2.
I'm mentally
Oh my
so
gosh,
out.
I'm at from one.
Oh my gosh, good thing I'm
I
recording
don't
that.
think you can lock safe room Mars. Why is it red?
I'm gonna try.
I feel like it's just for indicating. Ate, oh my god, my fucking heart.
Is it nighttime?
Wait, why am I bald? I don't think it is.
Okay, I have a gas mask on. Medkit. You can craft stuff?
Does it have a gas mask? Wait, I'll put traps. I'm putting barbed wires. Yes, girl.
I can hear stuff. Wait, should I go to safe room 2?
Yes, I think so.
Oh my gosh, I'm going.
I placed barbed wires by the entrance
By the entrance.
of the doors.
Oh my gosh, safe room 2 is so far. Oh my
Oh my
gosh,
god.
I can hear stuff.
Electricity is on.
I'm here.
Putting on barbed wires.
Oh my gosh, there's an
Wala pa rin.
alarm. I have some coffee. Should be good. I don't have water though. I need water bad. Uh-oh, the ringing.
Oh no, we can place it down. Oh no, we will place it.
Oh
Oh
my,
no. Ate, it's starting.
it's starting. Can we
Wait, close that door.
How do
We
Oh my
I,
can't. We
gosh,
don't have it.
I think we need like something that to trigger that.
Oh my god, I'm putting more barbed wires there.
What is this alarm for?
I don't know. Spotlight?
Right?
What's that sound? I hear him! I hear. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Go around! Go around! Go around! Somebody got caught.
I got caught.
aray ko, this bitch.
That's not
Si JM bumalik pa talaga sa mukha ko.
Wait.
Sige.
Oh my god! Go to safe room 1! Go to safe room 1!
Putang ina, naririnig ko na. Ate, may isa pa!
Ow, 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 I'm gonna.
Ate, there's a new one.
a new one.
Ate help, ate help. Ate help, ate help. Don't lock the door, don't lock the door. You mother.
Oh my gosh, it got
I'm
me.
locking them all. Ay, ate! Ba't di nakalak yan? Gemron.
Oh my! Oh
Oh my god, that's there! There's someone moving there!
Ate I'm running out of stamina. Ate, go to save room 2. Go to save room 2. Go to save
Ate,
room
help me
2.
to misrun!
Ate, I can't, ate.
I'm at
Ate,
safe room
stop
1.
them!
Wala namang
Ate, they're there. Ate, they're there. They're coming there.
Ate, sabi pa nila, ano yun, you need to kill the guy, bro. We ain't killing anyone at this point.
Ate, where are you guys?
Ate, I don't know where I am. I'm just running right now.
I'm going to save room 2.
Safe room 2.
Let's go to save room 2.
Pahinga ka na, pre. Magkano? From,
I hear someone.
ay magkano? Magkano?
I'm trying, I'm
Sandaan?
trying.
Depende kasi
Oh
yan,
my
te,
god, I
pero
see someone. I see
80 lang
someone.
dapat yan eh. Pero okay
I'm here,
lang.
I'm here, I'm here.
I'm here.
Nagsama-sama
Close
na
the
naman
door.
ng mga...
Oh my gosh.
Wait, can we lock the door? Oh my god. I hear him. Ah! Ang ganda!
Putang
Oh my
ina!
gosh, he got me again.
Yoru is dead!
Jeric, magpahinga ka na.
I
May spaghetti dyan.
died.
Jeric,
Yoru!
kumain ka na ba? May spaghetti dyan. Tapos may coke din.
Yoru, what happened?
Nandyan naman lahat.
He
Sige na.
got me.
Kumain ka na, tapos matulog ka na.
Where am I?
Mm.
I'm gonna
Can
get
we
an
review?
item box.
Ate, let me get one. I'm almost gonna die of thirst. Ay, ate, I'm gonna die of hunger pala. Ate, this game is scary. Putang ina! We went to the wrong room, Jaya!
Ate! Ate! That scared me. Suddenly went out of the door. Ate. Oh my god. Oh, he ignored me.
Oh my god,
I'm going to
ate.
save from mine, bro.
Ate, like,
Ate, this is so scary. I can't.
Medyo tama na to.
I can't. Let's play this game that I saw, yung sniper game. Yung sinend ko kanina. I feel like it's gonna be fun. Ate, I'm gonna die of hunger.
Ate, he's coming after me again. Lock the doors.
JM, I'm
Sideways.
dying of hunger.
this is
Heal,
my
heal, heal.
last.
Lock the door. I escaped. I didn't escape. I didn't
Ah,
escape.
this is my
I didn't
last.
escape. I didn't escape. I didn't escape. Ah!
Last
I'm
ano.
gonna die. Kill
This is
me.
where I died. I got my.
End it all. End it all. End it all. End it all. Ah! Te, hindi ako makatakas. Pwede ba? Nakikisabay ka eh. Nakikisabay ka eh.
Okay, let's play another game.
Okay, let me just die. Ah! Aray ko! Ate, yung puso ko. Holy shit. Okay, I'm gonna die of hunger. Let
I'm
me just die in
quitting.
peace. Oh my god.
I'm quitting.
Let me just die para we can save. If we somehow want to come back, we can like go back. Oh my god. Ate, oh my gosh, that game, this game, so scary. So fucking scary.
It is scary.
Ate, what do you mean I have 2 lives left? I'm out, bro. GG.